Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make everyday tasks simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into how to check your Wendy's gift card balance in 2025. Whether you're planning a quick bite or just curious about what's left on your card, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, the most convenient way is online. Head over to the official Wendy's website, it's wendys.com. Look for the Gift Cards section, usually found in the menu or footer. Once you're there, you'll see an option to check your balance. Enter the gift card number and any required security code, it's often on the back of the card. Hit Submit, and voila, your balance will pop up instantly. This method is super fast and works 24/7. If you prefer using your phone, download the Wendy's app from the App Store or Google Play. After installing it, create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the Gift Cards, or My Account section. Add your card by entering the details, and check the balance right from your dashboard. It's user-friendly and might even tempt you with some app-exclusive deals. For those who like a more personal touch, visit any Wendy's restaurant. Just hand your gift card to the cashier and politely ask them to check the balance. They'll swipe it through their system and tell you the exact amount. This is great if you're already grabbing a meal. Lastly, if you're on the go and don't have internet access, call Wendy's customer service at 1-888-298-3020. Have your card details ready, follow the prompts, and a representative will assist you. Remember, this might take a few minutes, so be patient. A quick tip: always keep your gift card in a safe place, as it's just like cash. If you think there's an error with your balance, double-check the card number or contact support promptly. There you have it. Checking your Wendy's gift card balance in 2025 is easier than ever. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.